So hello everyone and welcome to my channel Graphic Atom. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can create this awesome vector style logo. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so first of all we are going to set up our document. So file, document properties, uncheck the show page border box, display unit, select pixels. Now close it. Open the fill and stroke menu and alignment and distribution menu. Now grab the rectangle tool and square tool and create a perfect square like this. Okay. I think I will delete this and go to view. Make sure you have custom selected and zoom 101. Now grab this tool and make a square. From these handles, make the corners curve like this. Okay. So now leave it here. Control plus D to duplicate it. Change the color to red. Press Control and Shift and drag it down. Like this. Path, object to path. Path, object to path. Now click on this, Shift, click on this one. Difference. Now again duplicate it. Duplicate. Make it a red color like this. I will decrease the opacity. Okay. Now I will increase back. So Control plus D, duplicate it. Now press on this. Now click on this one. Path. Break apart. Delete. Control plus D. Flip object horizontally. Press Control and drag it here like this. Okay. Okay. Now grab the Bezier tool and click. Make sure you have this snap to pads on. Click on this top like this and create a outline like this. Okay. Path, object to path. Control like this. Now duplicate this and vertically. Now drag it. Like this. Okay. Okay. Now grab the click on this object gradient and drag it like this. Now click on this node and select a lighter shade. Like this. Okay. Now click on this one again. Now you can choose click on this linear gradient and you can choose the same shade from here. Just reverse it like this. Okay. Now again click on this one, choose the same gradient. Like this. Okay. Now click on this here. Again choose the same gradient. like this. Okay, now grab, now I will zoom in. I think I will make this shade. Okay, I think this is good. Now I will grab this and make it group selected object, and I will scale it little bit this like this. Okay, now I will duplicate this one and position it here like this, like this. Okay, now I will make this thing going inside, and this side of the beneath object overlapping this object. Okay, so to do this, you will just decrease the opacity of the upper object like this, so you can see the lining of the below one. So grab the pen, click here, click on this part, click here, like this. Just make an object like this and go to path, add to objects, duplicate it, click on this one. So first of all, ungroup this, click on ungroup selected object like this. Now click on the object like either, shift, go to paths, difference, again click on this object, now press shift, and now click on this one, this inner object like either this one. Okay, now again path, difference. Okay, now grab these objects, yeah, I think we have completed. You can see that this side of this upper object is going inside and coming outside from there. Okay, okay, so here we have created this vector logo. You can see. So I think you like the video. Please like and subscribe. So this is the end of the tutorial. I will show you more videos which you can enjoy and I think learn something. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, have a good day. See ya.